Why have you chosen to be poor when there is so much money in this world? How to make money. Awakening the Millionaire Within, Episode 3. You are poor by choice because you refuse to tap into your own natural resources, many of which you are abundantly endowed with. The first and most important is your brain. To this day, you have not utilized even 1/4 of it. Ultimately, your brain is the engine that will conceive, think and plan, achieve oriented thoughts that will propel you to financial success, that will awaken the millionaire within. Thanks very much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Matedon2, and enable the notification bell so you won't miss another episode. Thanks very much for watching and have a nice time. I believe in God.